Today's topic will be on managing knowledge. Managing knowledge, uh, not not another technical knowledge, but definitely related to MIS. Related to MIS, how MIS or systems available within MIS can be used for managing knowledge in a firm. So with that, let's look at the learning objective. The first learning objective is assess the role of knowledge management and knowledge management programs in business. So that will be our very first learning objective. Next, describe the types of systems used for enterprise-wide knowledge management and demonstrate how they provide value for organization. In the previous session, we did cover many enterprise systems. Many enterprise systems, either very high-end, sophisticated enterprise systems such as SAP or Oracle based, and also mid-range enterprise system such as supply chain management system, CRM, customer relationship management system, and many more. Human resource or ERP, enterprise resource planning, enterprise system. So these are some of the systems available within the MIS world, and how we can make use of this system to build up the knowledge, the contents. Basically, we are talking about the contents and how this knowledge can be used to demonstrate how or what kind of value they provide for any organization. Next, we're going to describe the major types of knowledge work systems and assess how they provide value for firms. The question is how. Next, evaluate the business benefit of using intelligent techniques for knowledge management. This is where areas such as AI and big data comes in. We did talk about it in the previous sessions. So let's look at a couple of slides today, how we can make use of new features such as AI and big data analytic into bringing more values, meaningful, useful values for decision making within the firm. As usual, we have one case study here, that is content management makes Southern Company a top utility performer. All right, look at that keyword, content management. Content management is all about knowledge management. The problem with this company, or the problem that highlighted in this particular case study, is document intensive business, fragmented information in legacy system, and manual processes. So we all understand when the information is legacy and manual, definitely we will run into many issues, problems, unexpected requirements, or not meeting the expectation kind of informations within that organization. So we need to look into how we can use of MIS system, any systems available within the MIS, to overcome or to at least prevent, if not preventable, at least to fix and move forward, so that we don't have the same problem or the same issue in the future. Some of the solution recommended in this case study is such as to generate document access rules and procedures. This is something quite similar to SOP. Reduce the time and cost of business processes by cutting delays in accessing design document. So if you have proper policies, practices, SOP, clearly available in the digital format as per the requirement, ISO 9000 or 21000, depends on your business nature, definitely you will be able to create and make available all the policies required as per the audit, as per the ISO, International Standard Organization. So definitely you will not run into these problems. So the first thing that we need to have, as you all understand, is the SOP, policies, policies. Next, document or Documentum content management software and Oracle database. It is always a good idea to invest into a content management system. Today, if you are aware, I'm very sure you will agree with me, content is king for a company. So we are looking for, or there are a lot of opportunities for content creators, especially when the social media becomes so hot. People are hunting, or it is in a very high demand, looking for content providers. The reason is some of these contents are just for information purpose, for sharing purpose, but many contents internally for the company, many knowledge, very specific skill-based knowledge are required to make your enterprise system or your knowledge management system rich with facts, information to assist, to help in decision making. So IT software such as Oracle, supported by Oracle database or SAP or even IBM proprietary database and so on, with a proper content management software, you will be in full control of the knowledge management or content management in your company. So we will look into some of those similar or related examples in this topic. Next, we want to demonstrate IT's role in reducing costs by making organizational knowledge more easily available. So that is the role of the IT. Moving on, illustrate how an organization can become more efficient and profitable through content management. All right. So those are some of the learning objectives that we're going to cover in this chapter. With that, let me continue with what we call the knowledge management landscape. All right, knowledge management landscape. Let me just give me a minute. Okay, wait, give me a minute. Let me check the meeting is okay. No, okay, there is a one question. Let me check. What is that? Okay. All right, everything is good. So let me continue. As usual, please stop me or let me know if there is any technical issues, if you cannot hear me or if you cannot see my slide. Okay, let's take a look at the knowledge management landscape. Sales of enterprise content management software for knowledge management expected to grow. This was a very old number, but definitely today the number is quite high. Like what I just mentioned, content management or knowledge management software is very popular among the big corporation or company as of today, and definitely they need one, to move further. And as we live in an information economy in which major source for wealth and prosperity is through production and distribution of information and knowledge. As all of you understand, information is king. About 55% or higher of US labor force consists of knowledge and information workers. So that is an example, good example of developed countries, how knowledge and informations are being used for the corporate purpose or for decision making and so on.